Here's how you can craft an effective introduction for your essay. First up, the hook. Your introduction should start with something that grabs your reader's attention and pulls them into your argument. This could be an interesting fact, a compelling statistic, a memorable quote, or even a short story. Think of it as your way of saying, hey, this is worth reading. Next, you need to provide some context. Give your readers the background they need to understand your argument. If you're writing about academic research, for instance, lay out your research question, the scope of your study, and how it fits into the broader conversation. Remember to keep your audience in mind. If you're writing an essay for your English class, there's no need to summarize a novel your audience already knows. Trust that your instructor and classmates know the basics, and dive into the good stuff. Now let's talk about setting up your argument. Avoid phrases like, "In this essay, I will discuss." Instead, speak in broad strokes about your essay's purpose and objectives. For example, instead of saying, "In this essay, I will discuss the effects of climate change on polar bears," you could say, "The rapid melting of Arctic ice is drastically impacting the polar bear population, threatening their survival and disrupting the entire Arctic ecosystem." This approach sets the stage for your argument in a more engaging and specific way. As you wrap up your introduction, transition smoothly to your thesis statement. This is the main point you'll be arguing in your essay. Your introductory paragraph will typically end with this statement, clearly outlining what your reader can expect. And here's a pro tip. Once you've finished writing your paper, go back and review your introduction. Make sure it still aligns with your finalized essay. Sometimes our ideas evolve as we write. Your introduction must reflect that. There you have it. The critical components of a strong introduction are a hook, context, audience awareness, argument setup, and a clear thesis. This video was brought to you by the instructional design team at LAPU. If you want to become an instructional designer, check out our MSID program. Here are some playlists with more of our content.